Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete messengers on Google Chat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin and first open up Google Chat app. Then you can get into some conversation. As you can see, I got right here some messages, and unfortunately, you are not able to remove one single message. There is no so feature at Google Chat as for now, but you can remove the entire conversation. Just hit right here at the very top. And among these options, you can easily find Delete Conversation feature. You can just tap on that, and now it says that deleting a conversation from your history is permanent. Other proceedings can still view this conversation. If you want to delete a conversation, just hit right here where it says Delete. That's it now. You can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Google Chat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.